Hello guys, today you are going to learn how to code in an interesting language called HTML. Now this is a very interesting language, as you will see it uses symbols known as less than and greater than for its elements. But first we need to add a folder for all your stuff. For Windows, right click and press New and go to Folder. You can name this folder whatever you want, like I do here. For now this folder is empty, but it will hold every file. Next, we will need to install Visual Studio Code to create our code. Type it into your browser and click the same link I do, so we know it is official. The link will also be in the description. Once you are on the website, click the top left button that says Download and make sure you download it for your platform. Now you are going to open Visual Studio Code. At the top select File, then click New File. First, we are going to type less than sign exclamation mark DOCTYPE HTML greater than sign. Click Enter to enter new line. But now you have to save. To do that, press Ctrl S and then name it anything you want, but make sure it has .html on the end. Don't forget to save it to your folder. Now check your folder and look to see if the file is there. If you click the file, it will bring you to your blank website. If you close Visual, you can always drag the website file back to it and reopen it like I do here. I almost forgot, but doctype HTML tells the file that it is HTML language. Next you want to do the sign again, but this time only type HTML in it to start the website. This extra slash on the second HTML tag means it's a closing tag. Most elements have these. Between the HTML tags, make sure there is the same amount of spaces shown here. They are called indents. We need these. Next, we need to add a body element, and yes, you guessed it, it means the body of the website. In the body element, we need a header called a h1 element. These make the big words on the front page. You can make the h1 whatever you want. The little white dot at the top means there are unsaved changes to the file. Press Ctrl S to save. Your header now appear. Increasing the number next to the H decreases the size of the header. For example, 2 is one size down from the biggest. This can go all the way up to H6. Don't forget to save. See as the size decreases as the number increases. Let's just keep H1 for now. Next is the P element. This lets you write paragraphs in writing as big as the code on screen. Instead of the body, why don't we have these elements under the head at the top of the screen instead of the middle of the web page? This will make zero visual change, but is still useful. Inside the body, let's add the final element of the video, the button, which, as you can guess, functions as a button. Well, not yet at least. Don't forget to name the button first. Now you can say to people you know a bit of code. I will see you all in the next video, right?